It's a cold morning today, so we're gonna be walking over, get something to eat for breakfast at this bakery nearby. So it's not too far. Could just be a couple blocks down. Okay, we got our stuff. Okay, we're back in the warm room here, and this is what we got. We got 2 of these ham and cheese quinamans, lemon curd quinaman, and a pecan sticky bun. Okay, let's take a look outside. Ooh. Looks freezing water there. Sack Rock down there, big beach. Okay, this should do it for our stay here, and we're moving on to our next destination. Okay, we're at the Tillamook Creamery here, and we're gonna just stop for a bathroom break and see if we can get some ice cream. Put my face mask on. Let's work together. Sitting in our car with our ice cream, and you got what?
Banana split.
Okay, and I got this caramel toffee crunch. Okay. Quin's Casino. We're just gonna stop here for a little bit, put some money in, and get a bathroom break. Okay. Locked. Huh? Oh, they have theme ones there, huh? Alright. Nothing. Okay, so I won $100 without even trying. So I just put in some money in there, and I guess I accidentally pressed the bet option, and I didn't even know it was started, and there was a bonus. So yeah, turned out to be $100. Not too bad. We're driving down Lincoln City, looking for a place to eat. There's a fish and chips shop down there to try probably. Let's get it takeaway and bring it to the hotel for tonight. Okay, we're waiting at this fish and chips place. We have to phone it in and we'll get it takeout. So we just wait in our car and they'll bring it out to us. Or I'll have to go to the door and pay. Here we are in that Spanish Head. This is where we're staying tonight. So why don't you just park and I'll go in and register. Maybe there's another parking area. Yeah. Alright, this is the room. It's not too bad. Seems like it's an older hotel, but every room here has an ocean view. So this is the balcony. Let me go out here, see if we can get it. How do you get out? Okay. Wow. Whoa. There you go. Right, here's our dinner for tonight. Shrimp and chips and fish and chips. That should do it for today. Just get another look at the waves here. Okay, until tomorrow. That should do it. Signing off now until tomorrow. Have a good day.